Question number 13. Do you see yourself being a YouTuber for a long time? Probably not. I don't see myself being as big as those YouTubers that are out there and how they make a living. I'd probably be working a 9-to-5 job, but if not, well, I can't predict the future, but if YouTube goes well for me, then yeah, I'd probably see myself doing YouTube for a while. But for now, I'm just gonna say no, because I don't know how the future's gonna go. Probably not. So yeah, that's my answer for that. Alright, the last question is, do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? My advice would be never give up. Don't give up. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do it. Yeah, don't let anyone tell you you cannot do a YouTube channel. Don't let them put you down. That is my advice to you. You learn from your mistakes, and you learn, if you want to do a YouTube channel, go for it. Kudos to you. Don't be afraid of what people are going to say about you. Alright, so now that I set the face, that was my last question. I'm going to start working on eyes. I already primed my eyes, and I did it with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I think I'm going to go in with the yellow, and I'm going to use my R37, and I'm going to go in with this color. I forgot the name of it already. I'm going to go in with the color Tiki, which is that one. And I'm going to use that as a transition color. Do you see it? I barely see it. It's not a very vibrant yellow, but we'll work with it. Alright, now that I have the yellow on, I'm going to grab another R39, and I'm going to go in with the color, this orange one, which is Bratty. I'm going to go under the yellow. This one's actually more pigmented than the yellow. I see it. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do a half cut crease with this look. I think I'm gonna do blue too. So I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright, now that I have the orange on this side and this side, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star Drug Lord, and I'm gonna cut the crease. And how I grab this is I put some in the back of my hand so I won't mix colors, because I don't want my white to turn brown or orange or yellow or whatever other color. So I just put some in the back of my arm, and I use the Morphe M421, and I cut the crease. Alright, so now that it looks like that, I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I cut the crease, I am going to use a flat brush, if I can find one. Alright, now I'm going to use this Now and Zen color, which is white, and set the base. Alright, now that that's set, I'm gonna grab a Morphe M441, and I'm gonna go in with this blue one, which is Backstage, and I'll put that in the outer. I think I need to get a different brush because this one's too much. I'll just blend it out right here real quick, and then I'll grab a different brush. I'll do the blending real quick. Now grab a different brush to spread it out on the outside. And I'll use the Jaclyn Hill 41. And I'll go up. Rude. I think I'm gonna do it like that. I don't know if I should do an almond or I like how this looks, so. And I'm gonna get the same brush, the 441, and try to blend that out. I like the way that looks. It looks so pretty. That looks so pretty. Alright, Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna grab a little bit of two-piece, which is this blue one right here, and I'll put it in the center right there to make it pop. Don't forget to blend it out so it won't look so harsh. Oh, that looks so pretty. See how it goes to like darker blue? That looks pretty. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Hang on. Alrighty, now the next color I'm gonna grab is Sandbar. I'm gonna put that under here. So I'm gonna grab a Morphe M506. It's different. I like it though. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, now that it looks like that, I'm gonna grab the Jaclyn Hill 38 brush, which is a small brush. I'm gonna wet it with some Fix Plus, and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35B, and I'm gonna go in with the bright yellow for the inner corner, and just pop it right in the center, right there. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Alrighty, with the Jaclyn Hill 42, I'm gonna go in with Now and Zen, which is that one, and I'll highlight the brow bone. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, now that we're done with the eye look, I'm gonna go in with this Best in Brows kit that I got from ColourPop. And it comes with all this stuff for $20. That's a deal. This one's black and brown color, and it's a pomade. This is a brow gel. Then it has these two, but I think this one's the Brow Boss. They're both color pencils. One's thinner and one's thicker though. I think this is the thicker one. Yeah, this is the thicker one, and this is the thinner one, real thin. And I'm gonna use this to do my brows. So I'm gonna use the thick one first, and I'm gonna spoolie my brows. I'm gonna do one on camera and the other one off camera. I'm gonna draw them on. I see the difference, one compared to the other one. Oh, that's so pretty. I like the color. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the thinner one and I'm gonna draw some fake hairs right there with this one. Okay, ooh, look at that brow. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, eyebrows are done, and I'm gonna dust off the bake with this E41. Then I'm gonna go do eyelashes and see what you guys think. Okay, so I'm gonna go do that eyeliner and eyelashes, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, this completes the look. I have dodo lashes in the style D327, and I have Jeffree Star Christmas cookie on the lips. And for highlighter, I have the Sparrow Cosmetics If You See Gaming, and this is it. And what I have for blush is the Patrick Star. I have the Patrick Star Take Me Home, and this is the one I use. I use both of those colors. And if you guys like this look, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And until next time, Beauty Glam sisters, bye.